Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you one code which you can use on a Fire Stick to get an amazing and really spicy app. So the very first step is getting the app code downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device and then you have to start typing downloader in a search bar. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for me at the bottom. We gotta click on downloader, and now here's this orange app which we need to get. So you click on it, wait a moment, and then press on the download button. And now the download of the downloader has started. And while it is downloading and installing, we also have to make some extra steps to set up our device. So we need to go to settings by clicking this little button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here, what you need to do is turn on developer options on the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging. Then you have to go to install unknown apps. And in here, all you have to do is just locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we'll go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, open it. And here's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, all you have to do is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Slovakia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on a screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So let's go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick device, open it up, and finally, let's use downloader. So we open the downloader application, click OK here, and now you'll see this big search bar in the middle of the screen. Let's open the search bar, and now in here, what you actually gotta do is start entering a code, which will allow you to download the Spicy app to the Fire Stick. And the code is gonna be 4387113. So once again, 4387113. That's the code you have to enter. After that, you just click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. If you get such a screen, by the way, you might have to click on the accept button right there. And now, yeah, just wait until the download starts for you. And here you go, the download has started. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds to download the app. And after that, we also, of course, have to install the application. So click install and just wait until the installation process is finished as well. Then do not click on open yet. Instead, press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on the Fire Stick. So you click delete and then delete once again. This way you save yourself some extra space for your Fire TV Stick device, which is kinda nice. And then let's go back and return to the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick. There it is. And here at the bottom, as always, you'll find the new app that you install to the Fire Stick. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. You click on it, and then a menu will appear on the right side of your screen. Click on move to front, and this way the app will always be at the very front of your application list. This way it will be easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected and stay totally anonymous online. Once again, you can get 3 months of NordVPN for free if you use the link below the video or in the pinned comment of this video. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.